Hello everyone. In this class, I'm going to explain about the permutation. Arrangement of objects in a particular way or order is known as permutation. In previous class, binomial coefficients, I already explained about the combinations. What are combinations? Arrangement of objects in a way without mentioning the order. Okay, arrangement of objects without any order is combination. But arrangement of objects in a particular way or any order is permutation. So without order means combinations. With order means permutations. This is the difference. It can be represented as NPR or N of P, R. Combinations can be represented as NCR, N of C, R. So we learned the combination formula. Now we will learn about the permutation formula and its properties. So the main formula is NPR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. Hope you understand what is the definition of permutation. For example, out of 24 children in the class, if I have picked up 5 children without mentioning any order, that is called, so out of 25 children, if I have picked up only 5 children in a class, so the way of arranging these children is nothing but combination. But out of 25 children only, 5 children I picked up with some order. With some order means based upon their ranks or based upon their heights with a particular order. So that is permutation. So let's see the properties of this permutation. Properties. The first one, NPR divided by NPR minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1. Second property, NPR is equal to n into n minus 1 PR minus 1. Third one, very important, NPR plus R into N PR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 PR. So here N, here R minus 1. R is consecutive numbers. Okay. Then N plus 1 PR. Next. Fourth one, NPN is equal to NPN minus 1 is equal to n factorial. NPN is last coefficient. NPN minus 1 is last but one coefficient. Both are equivalent to the n factorial. So these are the important properties of these four are important properties of permutations. Now we discussed about the combinations and the permutation. The relation between the permutation and the combinations are relation between permutation and combinations. What is that relation? There is only one formula. NPR is equal to NCR into R factorial. NPR is equal to NCR into R factorial. This is the relation between both of them. Now, let's see few challenges questions on permutations. The first one, first question, if NPR is equal to 1320, NCR is equal to 220, then find N comma R. So NPR given, NCR given. So we need to find out N and R here. Okay. So when we have both P for permutation, C for combination, just now we learned the relation between both of them. What it is? NPR is equal to, we know that NPR is equal to NCR into R factorial, right? So let's substitute these values into this. NPR is 1320 is equal to NCR is 220 into R factorial. So isolate this R factorial, bring this 220 this side. 1320 by 220 is equal to R factorial. 0, 0 get cancelled. 22 6 are 132. Or else you can simply cancel with 11 table. R factorial is equal to 6. So what is R here? 2 3s are 6. That means it's a 3 factorial, right? R factorial is equal to nothing but 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6. So R is equal to simply 3. So we got R. So now our job is to find out N also. So in these two numbers, this 220 is smaller, right? So we will take NCR combination. NCR is equal to 220 given. We found R value as a 3. Let's substitute. So NC3 is equal to 220. What is NCR formula? Combinations formula. N factorial by 3 factorial N minus R factorial. That means N minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 220. Okay. This N factorial we can write in terms of N minus 3 factorial, isn't it? So N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial means 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6. Okay. N minus 3 factorial. This 3 factorial value 6 I will take this side. 220 into 6. So constant side move to the right side. Now N minus 3 factorial get cancelled. So N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 is equal to 220 into 6. Now what we have to do? This 220, we need to, this 220 into 6, we need to write it as a 3 consecutive, product of 3 consecutive numbers, because N minus 1, N minus 2 are 3 consecutive numbers. Okay, product of 3 consecutive numbers. In the same way, we need to write. Let's factorize this. We can write 11 2s are 22. 11 into 2 into 10 into 6. Okay. 3 numbers, no? So let's multiply these two. 6 2s are 12. 12 is there, 11 is there, 10 is there. Yeah. So 12 into 11 into 10. So these are the product of 3 consecutive numbers. When you compare either side of the equal to symbol, we can draw out N is equal to 12. So R is equal to 3, N is equal to 12 is the answer. So this kind of many more sums we can solve in upcoming videos. So follow my videos. Thank you.